In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and then search for Eclipse IDE for Java developers. From here, click on this tab Eclipse Packages. Okay, from this list, select the package that you want to download. I'm going to download Eclipse IDE for Java developers for Windows operating system. Click here to download. You can also download Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. Okay. Now simply click on this download button. In a short period of time, download will be begin. It may take a while for downloading Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE for Java zip archive file downloaded successfully. Now navigate to download folder and extract or unzip this zip archive file. It may take a while. Now navigate to the extracted directory. Now copy this folder and then store this Eclipse IDE into any of the drive of your system. The recommended drive is C. I'm going to store this into the user's root directory. Now go into Eclipse folder. Eclipse brings Java JDK as a plugin pre-installed, so you don't have a separate JDK installed on your system. Let's install Eclipse IDE. Simply open this application file named Eclipse. You can create a shortcut icon or you can add this application to the start menu. Simply right click on this file and then pin to start, and also you can create a shortcut icon from Windows 11 on desktop. Here you will see a shortcut icon on desktop. Also you can see the Eclipse icon on pinned into the start menu. Now select a directory as workspace for storing the Java project. This is the default directory. You can change this directory with the location by browsing the directory where you want to store the newly created Java project, and then click on launch. It may take a while for starting Eclipse IDE at the first time on your system. Okay, that's it. Eclipse IDE installed successfully on your system. Now I'm going to launch Eclipse IDE from Start menu. That's it. And also from shortcut icon. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.